Ayan, Ate Pam, happy birthday, Ate Pam Sulayaw. More blessing to come. Ayan, sa iyong channel. Congrats po dahil po yan birthday na Ate Pam, and then monetize na po sa YouTube. Kaya happy birthday and congratulations. Ayun no. Thank you dahil dati po yan isa ding nag-support sa ating channel. Kaya sobrang thank you kay Ate Pam Sulayaw. Ayan, beshi namin ni Judel official. Ayan, shout out and good health and more blessing sa your family, and syempre always pretty. Ayan, happy birthday Ate Pam. Yun lang, and enjoy your the day, and congratulations dahil isa na yan monetize sa YouTube.
Hi guys! May i-greet ako na happy birthday guys, pero hindi ko pa siguro siya dikit sa YT. So, yung friend ko lang nagsabi siya na magpasa daw ako ng birthday greetings. So, i-greet ko lang guys na happy birthday Bindors Mix Official. Sana maligaya ka sa kaarawan mo ngayon. Healthy and beauty. Oh, so happy birthday again, Bindors Mix Official, and God bless you, and more blessing to come, and enjoy. Bye.
No, ako sumari ko sa natin happy bumabati kay Ma'am Vendor Mix Official na happy monetize in your YouTube channel, and happy birthday po. Into your day, more birthdays to come. Good health and God bless you, Ma'am. Thank you, and happy birthday po.
Happy birthday.